Take a look at this stunning 1964 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a real SS, not a clone, not a fake. This is the real deal. 1964 Super Sport came to us just the way you see it, and it stands really tall. As you can see, the bright work on the car, the grille, bumpers, stainless, is in very good condition. You get a look, and anybody that knows about black paint, black will show any imperfection there is. And you can look down the side of this car and you can see how nice and straight it is. Pay attention to the reflections that you're seeing there and how clear they are. Notice it does have the correct Super Sport hubcaps on the car as well. Dual antennas in the rear. There's another look for you down the side. The gentleman had his fun with the car and decided it's time to let someone else enjoy it. Get a look down the driver's side. This car is powered by 327. It is non-numbers matching 327, but again, as I said, it is a true SS. And the best part is yet to come. You got the black exterior with the red interior. It's absolutely beautiful, number one. Number two, take a look at what we got here. We got a 4-speed car. We got the factory tack. And you can see the dash is in great shape as well. Bucket seats, of course, which is the way the SS's should have and would have been. Full-length floor console. The red just pops on this car. See, the headliner's in good shape. Get a look at the door here as well. Very, very, very solid car. This isn't a patched up car. It's not all full of Bondo from what we can see by looking at it. And we'll reach in here. Get another look at the dash. Probably does have an upgraded radio in it, but all the machine turned dash placard is in place and in good shape. Alright, we'll pause it here and we'll get her fired up for you. Okay. Cold start. As you can, hopefully, yeah, you may not even be able to hear it, but it is running. And the tack is working, as you can see, idling about 800 or 900 RPM, nice and smooth. See, even the temp light works up there on the dash. Let's go take a look under the hood. Door shuts nice, with little effort. Again, look at the reflection, very nice and straight car, nice and shiny paint. And underneath the hood, as I mentioned, it's very smooth running 327. It's got the ram horn manifolds on it still, the way they should be. Very nice and tidy car. Not a bunch of grease or anything like that hanging all over the place. We'll take another look around here real fast so you can hear it. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are always welcome. Financing is available. And this particular car is in fact eligible for an extended warranty as well. So be sure you ask about that if you have interest. On this absolutely beautiful 1964 Chevy Impala SS. You can see all the pictures again on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or give us a call at 507-386-1726.